Hey kids, how are you? Excited for a new lesson? So today we are going to learn about pronoun her. So her is a possessive adjective. Possessive adjective? What is it? It's very simple. A possessive adjective tells us that something is owned by the third person, singular, female. For example, this is her mobile. So in this sentence, the pronoun her denotes that the mobile belongs to third person, singular, female. So why don't we see some examples and make the concept of pronoun her clear? So Rudy, our first example of pronoun her is, this is her doll. So in this sentence, her is a possessive adjective which denotes that the doll belongs to the third person, singular, feminine.
It looks simple.
Yes. So Rudy, read the second example.
This is her scarf.
Correct. So in this sentence, her is a possessive adjective which denotes that the scarf belongs to third person,
Singular, feminine.
That's right. So Rudy, our last example is, I am reading her book. So can you identify the possessive adjective in this sentence?
Her.
Correct, because it denotes that the book belongs to third person. Now we are talking about singular or plural,
Singular.
feminine or masculine.
Feminine.
Correct. Now tell me one more example of pronoun her as a possessive adjective.
I'm her friend.
Correct. You're very smart, Rudy. So, I hope you're very clear that what is pronoun her. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.